What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got an informative one because I'm gonna be talking to you about how to buy a vehicle in this crazy market. This is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5, and as you can tell, if you follow my finger, those are paper plates, which means I just recently purchased this vehicle, actually like a month ago. A lot of people are telling me I'm crazy for purchasing a vehicle. A lot of people are asking me how I got a decent deal on this Tacoma. How do you do this? How did you get your Tacoma for that price? Because I'm trying to buy a Tacoma. I'm getting charged over MSRP plus. This isn't just for Tacomas. Everybody's dealing with this trouble. Everyone's dealing with this issue. Before we get into it, last video I asked you guys, what do you think I'm gonna put on my license plate? Yeah, we got new license plates. So let's get started. We gotta take these off first. I'm so excited, I'm sorry. Whoa, I just tried to throw that into my truck bed, but bed cover, eat a motor, thank you. Oh, we need this. All right, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. I'm just gonna take them and throw them away just because, well, if somebody finds these and they use them, well, then I'm getting in trouble. All right, so take a guess. This is your final time to guess. I think it came out absolutely sick. I'm so stoked. What? This is actually the sickest thing. Probably one of my favorite modifications that I'm gonna do to this old truck. I never thought that I would have Aing on my truck. Bada boom, bada bing, Aing. Yo, that is literally so sick. That is amazing. Bam. If you ever catch me out, now you know you got the real deal Aing. Now let's actually talk about what we came to this video to talk about. How to get a car in this crazy market. So right now, it's August the 24th, 2021. The market is absolutely crazy. The shortages are absurd. What are we gonna ever do? Number one, you're gonna want to find what you want, okay? Find out exactly what you want. Make sure you understand what it is that you want, and make sure Toyota has what you want. Because I at first was gonna buy a red SR V6 4x4, and there was a ton. There was maybe like 8 or 9 at the time that I was looking for, but they were selling like hotcakes. I ended up finding out they don't have vanity mirrors, so that was off the table. Then I wanted a voodoo blue SR5. I looked everywhere, and it just so happened that this dealership had a blue SR5. Do not budge, because there's gonna be other things available. I promise you, the second that you buy the thing that you didn't want, you will regret it. I promise. It's not a question, it's not up for debate. You'll regret it. Number two, figure out how much you're actually willing to pay. Understand that if you go into something without a budget and you don't understand, you will get what happened to my license plate. I'm just gonna leave it at that. It's gonna happen. If you do not have a number set in your head, they are going to play with you. I was a salesman. I understand how this works. We're gonna show you a number. We're gonna tell you this is the best number we can get you. You don't have comparables. You don't know what you want. This is the best thing you have. But if you know what you want, you see what's been sold and what's being sold for this price, you get this much more vision instead of just it. Know what you want, set a budget, do not budge. Let's say you go to a dealership, they have exactly what you want, but the price doesn't work. You have to be okay with saying no, because there are gonna be some trucks that come up that are relatively similar, that kind of have what you want, but not exactly what you want, and that's where problems occur, because you're just not gonna be happy with your purchase. Don't be afraid to say no. If you want a certain package and the truck that you're looking at doesn't have that certain package, it's no, it's out of the game. No bueno. Be very disciplined and have patience, because these things, I mean, they are very difficult to have in everyday life, really, but especially car shopping, because for some reason us humans get the itch, the absolute itch to buy impulsively. I don't understand why, but it's a thing. It happens. Get your budget, find the car that you want, and stick to it, because they're gonna tell you no, it can't be done. Check back with them the next day and the next day and the next day, and that's how you end up getting the deal that you want. They're gonna say no, of course, up front, because it's a game. They want to sell and you want to buy. And oh, camera focus, focus, camera focus. And the fourth and final thing, maybe just don't buy. Maybe if the thing that you want, they don't have it, it can't be ordered, and maybe they do have it and they're just charging like absurd amounts of money for it. I promise you, you'll regret it later. I have a few buddies who have paid $10,000 plus. I've added them to the $10,000 plus club over MSRP. It hurts. It hurts my feelings to see it. So with that being said, my camera is about to die. So if this video cuts abruptly, I am sorry. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope this video is a little helpful for the people who are out there wondering what they need to do to get themselves a nice vehicle, snag themselves some debt. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.